Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai. It could be any Hyundai such as Hyundai Elantra, Sonata, Tucson, Santa Fe, Veloster guys, Accent, any Hyundai. We'll demonstrate on Sonata. But if you guys need to actually remove or replace or locate where the radiator fan resistor is located, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. You need to follow certain procedure because otherwise you can severely hurt yourself or you can burn the electronics on your car or the engine computer. Stay with us and we'll explain what that is. All that will be covered in today's video. Now before we start, let me tell you guys, every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos guys. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix anything. Another thing, why we do that, simply because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. Something else guys, if you need to buy a new camshaft position sensor, any of the tools, parts that we use in our videos, check out guys the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get all the tools and parts that you need for a really good price and quick shipping as well. So check it out now guys. Okay, this is right here that we'll be demonstrating on that Hyundai. Now number one guys, we'll be disconnecting electronic components. You'll be working close to the radiator fan. For your own safety and the safety of your car, disconnect the car battery. Now you probably don't know, but on modern vehicles you guys really matters which battery terminal you disconnect and reconnect first, because you can cause damage to the electrical system, modules, the engine computer, and that can cost you thousands of dollars to fix. So if you want to see which battery terminal to disconnect first, we have a special video that explains that and we'll put the link in the description of the video below. Now let me explain something else. This is the radiator fan on that Hyundai. What you need to locate, you need to find a wiring harness for the fan. Okay, where the wiring harness is, and ours is under that air duct. Okay, right here, if you come, this is the wiring harness going to the fan motor. Usually guys, the resistor will be part of the wiring harness. You will have two connectors, one coming from the car battery and the engine computer, the other one going to the radiator fan. So that resistor, it's right here. Check it out. Okay, we disconnected the two wiring harnesses and the resistor itself, it's simple, it's right there. Now, how you guys remove it? In some cases it may be there attached with two bolts or one bolt, it really depends. We have one screw with a Phillips screwdriver. It could be 7 or 8 millimeter socket in some cases we've seen on Hyundais. Go ahead, get it loose guys. Okay, and you can see this is the screw. Now you gently usually slide it up, come out of the canal and remove the resistor. And this is guys your radiator fan resistor. But before we continue, let me show you guys, I just remember many of you constantly ask me which computer we recommend for car diagnostics on Hyundai guys. And that computer works on almost any car you can think of. We'll put the link in the description of the video below. Check it out, it's amazing, it's simple to use. Hyundai is right here. It gives you the opportunity guys to access every computer in your Hyundai, and that 2013 model has 17 computers. Imagine how many the new ones have. Also you can read codes, delete codes and see live data for every computer in your car. Super powerful too guys. Now with that being said, that's the resistor. If you want to see guys what a radiator fan resistor is, what it does and how to test it, we'll have a video coming on our channel as well. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.